Have you ever wondered what secrets lie hidden within the realm of the Everglades? Here, in the southern tip of Florida, a unique and diverse ecosystem unravels, brimming with an array of wildlife, lush landscapes, and a mesmerizing beauty that is simply unmatched. The Everglades, often referred to as the River of Grass, is not just a river nor a simple swamp, but an intricate and delicate blend of ecosystems that is home to an impressive variety of life. From the silent alligators lurking in the marshes to the exotic birds soaring in the sky, every creature has a role to play in this intricate tapestry of life. What sets the Everglades apart is its remarkable diversity. It is a place where freshwater from the slow moving river meets the salt water of the Gulf of Mexico, creating a unique habitat brimming with life. The mangroves stand tall, their roots submerged in the brackish water, harboring a myriad of creatures both above and beneath the surface. The sawgrass marshes stretch as far as the eye can see, a seemingly endless expanse of green, broken only by the occasional hammock of hardwood trees. Here the white-tailed deer and the Florida panther roam freely, while the manatees find solace in the warm waters of the river. Yet, this precious ecosystem is more than just a haven for wildlife. It is a hidden gem, a treasure trove of natural wonders waiting to be explored, a testament to the beauty and resilience of nature in its purest form. A trip to the Everglades is not just a journey, but an adventure, a chance to step into a world that exists outside the hustle and bustle of city life, a world where nature reigns supreme. So, are you ready to delve into this enigmatic wilderness, to uncover the secrets that lie hidden within its depths? Are you prepared to witness the magic that unfolds when you venture off the beaten path and into the heart of the Everglades? Welcome to the enigmatic Everglades, where every corner holds a new surprise. Imagine the thrill of gliding through the swamps on an airboat, eyes peeled for the elusive creatures of the Everglades. Picture this. You're seated on an airboat, a flat-bottom vessel propelled by a giant fan. The engine roars to life, and your heart starts to pound with excitement. As the boat gains speed, you can feel the rush of wind in your hair. You're surrounded by verdant mangroves and tall, waving sawgrass. The air is filled with the scent of fresh water and earth, punctuated by the occasional bird call. An airboat ride through the Everglades is unlike any other adventure. It's a chance to experience the unique ecosystem from a different perspective. As you traverse the shallow waters, you might spot an alligator basking in the sun, or a flock of roseate spoonbills taking flight. Here, every moment is a potential encounter with wildlife. The sensation of skimming across the water surface is exhilarating, a testament to the thrill of exploration. Your guide skillfully navigates through narrow waterways, pointing out the unique flora and fauna that call the Everglades home. You might learn about the American lotus, a beautiful aquatic plant, or the elusive Florida panther, a species that has adapted to this harsh environment. But the adventure doesn't end with the wildlife. The airboat ride is also a journey through a breathtaking natural landscape. The Everglades is a tapestry of marshes, mangroves, and wet prairies, a living, breathing masterpiece. As you glide over the mirror-like water, you'll witness the subtle changes in the scenery, from the dense mangrove tunnels to the expansive sawgrass prairies. An airboat ride in the Everglades is more than just a thrilling ride. It's an immersive experience that lets you witness the beauty and diversity of this unique ecosystem. It's a chance to connect with nature, to appreciate the delicate balance of life in the wetlands. An airboat ride through the Everglades is an adventure not to be missed. It offers a glimpse into a world that's both beautiful and mysterious, a world that leaves you in awe of the wonders of nature. So next time you're in Florida, be sure to embark on this airboat adventure and experience the magic of the Everglades firsthand. Did you know that the Everglades has been home to the Seminole tribe for hundreds of years? Indeed, the Seminole tribe, the very first inhabitants of these vast wetlands, have carved out a life here amidst the sprawling sawgrass and ancient mangroves. Their story is woven into the very fabric of this landscape, a testament to resilience and a deep respect for the land that has provided for them for centuries. The Seminoles were originally Creek Indians from Georgia and Alabama, who migrated to Florida in the 18th century. They were later joined by remnants of other tribes, creating a rich tapestry of cultures that evolved into the Seminole tribe we know today. Living in harmony with the environment, they developed an intimate understanding of the Everglades, a knowledge reflected in their traditional way of life. They built their homes, known as chickees, on raised platforms to stay above the water. These open-sided dwellings, roofed with palmetto leaves, were designed to keep cool in the sweltering summer heat. The Seminoles also relied heavily on the Everglades for sustenance, hunting alligators and fishing in its abundant waters. They gathered the hearts of palm for food and used the leaves for thatching roofs and creating intricate baskets. Their vibrant culture is alive and well today, a living history that continues to thrive. The Seminoles are renowned for their colorful patchwork clothing, a striking blend of traditional and modern designs. They also continue to practice their ancient arts, such as basket weaving and wood carving, passing these skills down through generations. The Seminole tribe's relationship with the Everglades is a testament to their resilience and adaptability. Despite numerous challenges, they've maintained their way of life, preserving their unique traditions and customs. Their presence adds a human element to the wild beauty of the Everglades, a reminder of the deep connections between people and the natural world. Their rich history and enduring culture are integral parts of the enigma that is the Everglades. The Seminole tribe's rich history adds another layer of depth to the enigma of the Everglades. Ready to lace up your hiking boots and venture into the heart of the Everglades? Imagine stepping onto a trail that winds through a maze of mangroves, their roots twisted into intricate patterns, a testament to the resilience of nature. The earth beneath your feet is firm yet yielding, a reminder of the marshy terrain that makes up this unique ecosystem. As you delve deeper into the heart of the Everglades, the hum of city life fades away, replaced by the symphony of nature, the rustling of sawgrass in the gentle breeze, the distant call of a heron, the splash of an alligator slipping into the water. These are the sounds that will accompany you on your journey. Each trail in the Everglades offers a unique experience. Some lead you to panoramic views of the verdant marshlands, stretching as far as the eye can see. Others take you to tranquil ponds, where you can sit and watch as the sun paints the sky in hues of orange, pink, and purple. There are trails that cater to the adventurous, winding through dense vegetation and offering glimpses of the diverse wildlife that call the Everglades home. Walking these trails, you'll uncover the subtle nuances that make the Everglades so fascinating. From the way the light filters through the canopy of leaves, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor, to the sudden burst of color as a flock of birds takes flight, every moment is a chance to appreciate the beauty of nature. And then there's the thrill of spotting wildlife. The flash of a deer bounding through the undergrowth, the silent glide of an alligator through the water, the watchful gaze of a hawk from its perch. These encounters, while fleeting, create memories that will last a lifetime. So, take a moment to breathe in the fresh air, to feel the sun on your skin, to listen to the whispers of the wind. This is what it means to truly immerse yourself in the natural world. Hiking through the Everglades, you'll discover the mesmerizing beauty that makes this place a natural wonder. From thrilling airboat rides to peaceful hiking trails, the Everglades offers something for everyone. As we've journeyed together through this enigmatic ecosystem, we've seen firsthand the diversity of life that thrives here. We've encountered alligators basking in the sun, exotic birds soaring through the sky, and a multitude of other creatures that call the swampy landscape home. Each one plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of this unique ecosystem, making the Everglades not just a hidden gem, but a natural treasure that needs to be preserved. We've also delved into the rich history and culture of the Seminole tribe, the original inhabitants of the Everglades. Their profound connection with the land and their enduring legacy serve as a testament to human resilience and the power of community. Their stories remind us that while nature can be wild and unpredictable, it has also been a source of life and sustenance for generations. The Everglades is not just about the wildlife and the people who live here. It's also about the sheer natural beauty that takes your breath away. The lush mangroves, the endless sawgrass prairies, the tranquil hiking trails, each offering a different perspective of this diverse landscape. And let's not forget the mesmerizing sunsets, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, a sight that truly encapsulates the magic of the Everglades. So whether you're an adrenaline junkie seeking the thrill of an airboat ride, a history buff intrigued by the Seminole tribe, or a nature enthusiast looking for a peaceful retreat, the Everglades has something to offer you. It's a place of mystery, beauty, and endless surprises waiting to be discovered. Thank you for joining this journey through the Everglades. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.